You're still waiting on that alarm clock to wake you up, aren't you? You're still depending on a sound to get you moving, to pull you out of bed and into the world. You rely on it so heavily because, deep down, you've allowed laziness to creep into your life. That alarm clock doesn't owe you anything. It's not responsible for your success, your happiness, or your future. Yet you've handed it the power to dictate your mornings, your days, and ultimately your life. You've fallen into a cycle of waiting for something or someone to push you forward. But here's the truth. No one is coming to save you. No alarm clock, no person, no miracle is going to drag you out of the abyss of complacency. That's on you. It's time to hit the reset button. It's time to rebuild your life, because your life is precious and it's worth fighting for. You've allowed laziness to control you for far too long. You've hit the snooze button on your dreams, your goals, and your potential. You've convinced yourself that tomorrow will be different, that tomorrow you'll finally get it together. But tomorrow isn't promised. The only time you have is right now. So get out of that bed. Get out of the abyss of misery you've created for yourself. Take a deep breath, fill your lungs with air, and start living again. Tell your excuses to shut up. Tell self-pity to be quiet. Pity won't save you. It won't change your circumstances. You're looking for a way out, but I'm telling you to find a way in. Stop looking for help all the time and start helping yourself. Find a way to win your life back. Don't you dare say you're done. Don't you dare say you're giving up. You don't have permission to quit. Not today. Not ever. I never said it was going to be easy. Life isn't easy. You're going to be judged. You're going to be put down. Not everyone is going to support you. Not everyone is going to believe in you. There will be times when you feel broken, shattered into pieces, like you can't possibly put yourself back together. There will be moments when you feel like your life is spiraling out of control, like you'll never get back on track. But listen to me. Really listen. You can put your life back together. You have the faith. You have the strength. You have the knowledge. You have the ability. Now, it's time to go to work. No more saying you're not strong enough. No more saying you've tried. Stop trying and start doing. Your life has meaning. Your life has purpose. Your strength is within you. You were born with it. There's something inside of you, something deeper than your flesh, stronger than your doubts, that has the power to overcome any obstacle. Whatever circumstance you're dealing with right now, I'm telling you, it's only temporary. It's only going to last for a short time. Every day, something is changing. Your life is changing. My life is changing. The lives of your loved ones are changing. Don't waste another moment doing nothing with your life. Time is the one thing you can't get back, and you only have so much of it. Let's keep this in mind. There's one thing we can't escape, and that's the inevitable. Death is coming for all of us. It's the one certainty in life. But here's the thing. Life is no joke. It's hard, it's messy, and it's unpredictable. But it's also an incredible gift. What you do with that gift depends on how you choose to live. So think about what you're doing with your life right now. Are you living with purpose? Are you chasing your dreams? Or are you stuck in a cycle of misery, waiting for someone or something to change your circumstances? I get it, life is tough. People are hurting, people are angry, people are miserable. But you know what? That's part of being human. Being human is hard, it's messy, it's painful, but it's also beautiful. And nobody can do you better than you. So find a way to understand that your life matters. It's not over. You can put it back together again. You can rebuild it with passion, with conviction, with purpose, and with will. But if you're sitting around waiting for a pity party, waiting for someone to save you, you're going to be in a world of hurt. Stop with the madness of self-pity. The world is what it is. People do what they do. Not everyone is decent. Not everyone means you well. And the world doesn't stop because you're having a bad day. But guess what? You're still alive. That means it's a good day. Maybe it wasn't a great day, but it was a good day because you made it through. And that's something to be grateful for. Everybody falls. Everybody gets knocked down. But you don't have to stay down. You don't have to let your circumstances define you. Get back up. Keep pushing forward. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is coming to pull you out of the mess you're in. You have to do that yourself. Stop looking for someone to bail you out. Bail yourself out. Figure it out. Don't depend on others to make you happy. Don't depend on others to give you a better life. You have the power to create the life you want, but you have to start depending on yourself. Have some integrity. Stand on your morals and your principles. Stop selling yourself short. Stop settling for less than you deserve. You don't have to start over. You just have to start. Start today. Do something, anything, to move your life in the right direction. How much time do you think you have left? Don't live your life as if you're going to go on forever. Don't live your life as if all you're good for is being miserable. Let me tell you something. Those who have had it easy don't understand toughness. They don't understand the significance of struggle. So don't look to them for strength. That's not where your strength comes from. Your strength comes from within. It comes from your struggles, your failures, and your ability to keep going despite the odds. Put aside the excuses. Put aside the weakness. Do better with your life. Rebuild it. Let your actions speak louder than your excuses. Let your actions speak louder than your doubts. Let your actions flow through your veins and reconstruct your life. If you're not applying yourself to better yourself, mentally, physically, or spiritually, then you will remain broken. You've put more effort into excuses and weakness than you have into finding a way to be strong. But that ends today. If you're a man, be a better man. If you're a woman, be a better woman. We're all fighting for our lives every single day. Don't let your circumstances kill your spirit. Sometimes, when things get broken, it doesn't mean they're broken forever. Find a way to stand. Find a way to push through. Keep going. Be productive. Stay strong. Never quit. And from the bottom of my heart, I'm telling you this. Conduct your business. Take control of your life. Stop waiting for someone else to do it for you. The power is in your hands. Use it.